We're walking into the 2-bedroom at Kenwood Court at 53rd and Kenwood. This is the living room. So the kitchen and living room are all open, so it's one big room. The island granite countertops does come with a dishwasher. The bedrooms are on opposite sides of the apartment. So this is one hall closet here. This is the bathroom. And this is one of the bedrooms. And there's two, it looks like there's 2 closets, but it's actually just one really big closet. Then walking back through the kitchen. Well, first there's a hall closet behind the door here. This is the 2nd bedroom. So both the bedrooms are really a pretty good space, pretty much identical. Give you an idea of the view. You are facing over 53rd Street, right above our management office. Again, the same deal with the closets here in the 2nd bedroom. It's just one really big closet.